Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with BGM Hair. It stands for Black Girl Magic Hair, y'all. We will be getting right into this video. This hair did not come dye. I did put this pink streak in it, so we about to get right into this video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you.
So guys, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed collabing with Black Girl Magic Hair. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything that you need to know, including the color that I used to dye this wig, y'all. Also, you can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them, y'all. Yes, let them know that I did sing, y'all. This is a very trendy, very popular hairstyle, so y'all know I had to go ahead and try it. I definitely loved it. I got so many compliments on it, y'all. Like, literally everything. The wig bomb, literally bomb. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time, y'all. Also, don't forget to go shop with Black Girl Magic Hair. They definitely don't disappoint.